Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a quick video to talk about a problem that some of you have been having with the Firefox extensions. A lot of you have in the past couple of weeks mentioned that you had it was impossible for extensions to work. Many extensions were broken. It has to do with a certificate that expired, and that expired certificate broke many extensions within the Firefox web browser. Now, if you're running the latest version of Firefox, you got to make sure you got the latest update, which is at 66.0.5 as of today, May 15th, 2019. That fixes the problem, and your extension should work again, and everything should be back to normal. But also today, what happened, and it's for those that are using a previous version of Firefox, they fixed this for every version of Firefox from version 47 and later. So if you're using an older version of Firefox because maybe you like an older version better than the new one, or because of some things that you use or things that you do that require you to have an older version of the Firefox browser, starting at Firefox 47 and later, you can download a fix that will actually fix the broken extensions. So just make sure that you go to the Mozilla website. I have to check if you've got the latest version of Firefox installed. Well, what you got to do is go to your Firefox web browser. In here, you will go on the upper right corner into the little hamburger menu. Go down to Help, and there you'll be about Firefox. Just click here, and you should be at 66.0.5, and if you're on the latest. If not, it's going to force the update to the latest version, so you will actually have this fixed. So just update your browsers, and you'll see that there's going to be a fix for the extension problems. Remember that you got to be at version 47 or later for this fix to actually work. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.